So let's talk about baseball example 2. When I was a player, I played third base, and I was a terrible hitter. I don't know what it was, but I had a terrible batting average. I got walked a whole lot, uh, but I was pretty good at third base, so they just kind of assumed that I was going to get out when I was up in the batter's box. So, anyways, in a softball game, a batter hits a ball to dead center field, a distance of 240 feet from home plate. The center fielder then throws a ball to third base and gets a runner out. If we assume that there's 60 feet between all the bases and a 45-degree angle between home and third base, how far away is the center fielder away from third base? Okay, so just like in the last example, we had just this word problem. We didn't have a picture. So this is going to be, again, kind of the hardest thing that you're actually going to be solving for is the picture itself. So I'm going to move this just a little bit. So I know some information. I know that from home plate to center field, the batter hit a ball 240 feet. So the length from home plate to center is 240. And I know from home plate to third base is 60 feet with a 45-degree angle. So this is definitely going to set me up for a law of cosines problem because I have two sides and an interior angle. And in fact, this angle is going to be directly across from my h angle, which means I'm going to be able to use the law of cosines to solve for it. So I get that h squared is equal to 60 squared plus 240 squared minus 2 times 60 times 240 times cosine of 45. What that's going to give me is h squared is equal to 40,835.32, which gives me h is equal to 202.80. So in other words, from the center fielder where they caught the ball, or where they grounded the ball, I guess, to third base is going to be 202.80 feet. And I lost my units again somewhere. Okay, so between the law of cosines and the law of sines, we're going to be able to use them kind of in combination to solve most triangles if they're not right triangles. And if they are right triangles, then we already know how to solve them. So if you have any questions, please let me know.